What up, Leonidas here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use paid tools for your search engine marketing research for generating keywords. And in this case, I'm going to show you websites where you can pay a much smaller fee or price, like let's say $30, $40, even $50, and use tools that are about 3, 4, 5, 6 times more expensive than that. And what these websites essentially do is they somehow get a group rate. And with this group rate, this allows you to use a lot of very expensive tools for just one simple basic price. Now, the tools that you're going to be using are the ones that basically scrape the entire internet. So in a previous tutorial, I showed you one of my plugins. And on this one, I showed you that Google and Bing actively hit my website like in the millions, essentially per week, to get all my content indexed. So there are other search engine optimization bots that actively hit your website as well. And these ones scour the entire internet on any given day. And these are the tools that we're essentially going to be using to research our competition. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive right in. Once again, these are tools that are maybe $300, $400 a month that you could use for just $30 a month instead of paying the full amount. And not just for one tool, but for the same price of $30 or $40, you can use a collection of 20 tools or even 30 tools for that simple price. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. So there's two websites that I'm at the moment aware of. One of them is called